Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Google Business Profile account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and manage your business listing on Google Search and Maps. Step 1. Visit business.google.com and sign in with the Google account you want to use to manage your business profile. Step 2. If you haven't created a business profile yet, click Manage Now and follow the prompts to add your business information, including name, category, and location. Step 3. Once your business profile is created, you'll need to verify it. Google offers several verification methods depending on your business type and location. Step 4. Select your preferred verification method. Common options include verification by postcard, phone, email, or instant verification if you've already verified your business through Google Search Console. Step 5. For postcard verification, which is the most common method, confirm your business address is correct. Google will mail a postcard with a verification code to this address. Step 6. Wait 5 to 14 days to receive the verification postcard at your business address. The postcard will contain a unique 5-digit verification code. Step 7. Once you receive the postcard, sign back into your Google Business Profile account and click on Verify Now or Enter Code. Step 8. Enter the 5-digit verification code exactly as it appears on the postcard and click Submit or Verify. Step 9. If you selected phone verification, Google will call you at your business phone number with a verification code. Answer the call and enter the code provided. Step 10. After successful verification, your Google Business Profile will be activated. You can now manage your business information, respond to reviews, post updates, and appear in Google Search and Maps results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.